Sierra, and then I'm doing my first What's Inside video. And, well, right now we only have one guide, but this is called a Splat Man. I have the package right here because I just opened it, and it says it's safe, soft, and fun. It's pretty soft, very stretchy, but it says it sticks and releases to flat surfaces. So let's try this out. Right here. Let's do this. That didn't work. So the package lies because this does not stick. But obviously we need to cut it open. And I have this guy because I thought it was really cute. And I got it for Christmas, so woohoo. Okay. Oh, and if you're wondering what happened to my hand, I had surgery the other day because I couldn't bend my thumbs back. They would be stuck in a curved position, but now I can bend them back. Woo! Okay, so let us try cutting him open. Let's see. I'll cut it on his leg. Obviously, this is very difficult for me, but I can try. Oh, what is that? Looks like a white goopy stuff. I thought it was going to be like a powder, but it looks like it's going to be like some sort of slimy stuff. And no, I did not add this in to him. May I have some gloves so I can touch it? I don't want to have any like cautions. This is, it feels like gum. I'm just going to say that. It feels like gum. Okay, let's keep cutting this guy open.
Random comment from the audience. I totally thought it was going to be powder.
That was random. Very, very random. I don't think I'm going to get this out of here, but if you've watched any other What's Inside videos, usually they cut it open and get most of the gunk out of there. So we'll just keep pulling, keep tearing.
Cut them right in half eventually.
We will. I'm tearing him apart. This might take a minute. Sorry, folks, but it's really hard when you have this on your hand and really hard gunk. Let's do this. He's like a plastic case full of gum. Like, literally, he feels like he's full of gum. Smells really weird. Well, I don't think I'm going to be able to get most of this stuff out of here, but we'll just throw him in this bowl and maybe try this foot. Foot might be easier. I don't think it's going to be. No, not at all. But anyways, that's what happened. Seems like there's gum inside of him. But I guess it's going to be bye for now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, lots of views, and maybe you can leave a nice comment down below. Bye!